Why are there not more people talking about the challenges of sustainable agriculture in arid climates? Welcome to the arid and semi-arid regions of the world, areas with ancient histories and remarkable landscapes. Envision towering mountains reaching towards the heavens, with deep valleys etched into their sides. Picture vast, rolling sand dunes that stretch endlessly, as if whispering the secrets of the desert winds. Despite their beauty, these regions face a significant challenge: limited arable land for agriculture. These areas are predominantly dry, making farming a formidable task. The sun is exceedingly strong, and rainfall is infrequent and precious. Water is akin to gold here, extremely valuable and not easily accessible. Yet, the inhabitants of these regions are resilient. For centuries, they have mastered the art of living in these challenging environments. They excel at adapting and discovering new methods, always maintaining a delicate balance with nature. Let us discuss the importance of soil. Although it may often be overlooked, soil is fundamental to life. It comprises a mixture of mineral particles, organic matter, and living organisms. Soil provides essential nutrients to plants, anchors their roots, and retains water. In arid and semi-arid regions, a variety of soil types can be found. Aridosols are prevalent in these dry areas. These soils often contain high levels of salt, posing challenges for cultivation. Entosols are typically found near riverbanks. These are young soils with significant agricultural potential. Inceptisols are somewhat older and more developed. Vertisols, rich in clay, can impede root growth. Alluvial soils are found near rivers and coastal areas. These soils are highly fertile, creating productive oases in otherwise barren landscapes. The arid climate presents significant challenges to agriculture. The sun, which aids plant growth in many regions, is so intense here that it desiccates vegetation. With annual precipitation often less than 4 inches, every drop of water is invaluable. The extreme summer heat accelerates the evaporation of water. This exacerbates desertification, rendering the land increasingly arid and challenging for agriculture. In addition to the extreme heat and scarce rainfall, there is another significant issue: salinity. As water evaporates from the soil, it leaves behind salt deposits. Furthermore, the use of saline groundwater for irrigation exacerbates soil salinity. This phenomenon, known as salinization, is detrimental to plant health. In coastal regions, seawater intrusion into freshwater sources further aggravates the issue. Water is essential for life, yet it is exceedingly scarce in arid and semi-arid regions. Due to minimal rainfall, these regions rely heavily on underground water sources known as aquifers. These aquifers have sustained communities for extended periods, but current water usage rates exceed natural replenishment. Consequently, water levels are declining, and the remaining water is becoming increasingly saline. To address this issue, innovative methods such as desalination and wastewater treatment are being employed to secure water resources. The inhabitants of arid and semi-arid regions are both ingenious and resilient. They are integrating traditional practices with contemporary technology to enhance agricultural productivity and conserve water. For instance, rather than employing the inefficient method of flooding fields, they are adopting advanced techniques such as drip irrigation, which ensures water is delivered directly to the plant roots. This method not only conserves water but also mitigates soil salinity issues. Researchers in arid and semi-arid regions are experimenting with plants that can thrive in saline soils. These specialized plants, such as barley, quinoa, salicornia, and date palms, hold significant potential for the future. These regions are also drawing lessons from historical practices. Traditional oases, where date palms, fruit trees, and vegetables are cultivated, demonstrate how diverse plant species can coexist in a sustainable manner. Nations are collaborating to enhance agricultural practices in arid and semi-arid regions. Organizations such as the Food and Agriculture Organization are assisting these regions in adopting advanced farming methods. The Green Climate Fund is supporting projects aimed at enhancing water resource management in these challenging environments. Collaborative efforts are essential for addressing significant global challenges. The narrative of arid and semi-arid regions illustrates how communities can surmount obstacles through ingenuity and perseverance. From ancient oases to contemporary technology, these regions are striving towards a more promising future for agriculture. However, significant work remains. It is imperative to support research, develop advanced systems, and implement sustainable farming practices. Let us collectively aid in protecting the environment of these regions and securing a prosperous future for their inhabitants.